Throughout this course, we are going to be making use of Visual Studio Code. Now you can use any other text editor that you want, like Sublime Text or Brackets or even Visual Studio itself, but I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code because it's a lightweight text editor and it's going to make our work much more easier. So to get Visual Studio Code, just visit this link, code.visualstudio.com, or you can go on Google and type VS Code, or you can type VS Code, and it's going to display the link where you can download Visual Studio Code. So you can just click on this and it will take us to where we can download for our platform. So right here we have Windows, Linux and Mac. So click on this to download for Windows, and once you download, you can just hit on this so that you install Visual Studio Code. So this is the text editor we are going to be using. As I said earlier, you can use any other text editor that you want. They are all going to work and give us the results that we require.